once again, good friends. Welcome, new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. You know by now I love to showcase and introduce products that will help those of you just starting out in the business or just starting to expand your services from basic cleanings, or those of you just starting to take care of your own vehicles. So today we're going to showcase P&S Playmaker. This is an all-in-one cleaner, polisher, and protectant with P&S Bead Maker infused in the formula. So let's head out to the shop. I'll show you how it drastically changes the look of a test panel, the protection it lays down, and the gloss that it leaves behind. Let's get going. P&S Playmaker, an all-in-one cut, polish, protect, has the micro abrasive technology, 32 ounces for $32.99. Low dust formula can be used by any polisher or by hand. Here we have the perfect test panel for such a product. Scratches, hazed, overall dullness. We're going to mask off a section. We're going to take a couple measurements. First, the thickness. We got a 2.7 on paint depth. We're going to use a couple different machines and different pads. I want to see how much paint or clear coat, if it's single stage or clear coated, is removed during the process. I also want to take some measurements, gloss measurements, before and after as well. Walking around the car with the customer both before and after a correction, looking at the difference in gloss is fantastic, but when you have the numbers to back it up, that's what separates you as a professional. I also use these instruments to help me tell some of these products apart. There seems to be an endless line of products being released these days, and when they're all closely grouped together, precisely tuned instruments just like this are a huge help. So we're going to record the readings and write them down here, and we'll come back to those later. I want to give you just a few examples of some of the combinations that would work great with this product. You could use the rotary with this Lake Country hybrid foam wool pad. You can use any dual action polisher. Here's a long throw, and attached to it we have the Eurofiber 50/50. Now this cuts and polishes, so that'd be another fantastic combination to team up with the Playmaker. I'm going to slowly bring you in close so you get an idea what the product looks like when it's being worked. Low dust, long work time. The residue turns clear as you work it. You can actually see a pretty big difference in the little test area as we work it the second time around with this Euro pad. And again, long work time, easy to manage residue, and user-friendly so far. Another great combination to team it up would be doing a paint enhancement or quick one-step with just these entry-level polishers, 8mm throw, and a microfiber polish pad. You can pick them up anywhere. When it comes to dusting, well, after the third time around, hardly any at all. right, that's going to do it. Let me bring you guys in close, and then we're going to grab microfiber and wipe off the residue. Some of these all-in-ones can be a bear to remove, not this one. User-friendly, that's easy to remove. One hand with the panel moving around. And what it leaves behind is a nice, shiny test area. Not perfect. There are some scuffs, scratches, and even some swirls here and there, but a huge turnaround. Let's remove that masking tape, take another look at the contrast between the corrected and the uncorrected areas, then we'll take some measurements. Again, not perfect. Some scratches, swirls here and there. A lot of the deep gouges are left behind, but very impressive. Okay, time to take some measurements again, and let's see the difference between the depth. Started at 2.7 mils. And after 3 rounds, different polishers and pads, we only knocked off 3/10 of a mil. So that's not bad. It's not super aggressive. It's not going to get you into trouble. And when we bring out the gloss meter once again, that's where the huge turnaround is. And that is very impressive. We basically had a turnaround of 40 GU or gloss units. Now let's try something else. We're going to work on a panel here, trunk lid, that is already in decent shape. As you can see, we're starting at 94 GU. Now let's just refresh it by hand. Say you already corrected it a couple months ago, and after quite a few washes you want to just freshen it up and put another layer on, keep that protection on there. Well, just do it by hand. Put some on a microfiber, rub it in, flip it over, wipe off the residue, and you're done. Now let me grab you. We'll come around, grab the gloss meter, and see what the difference is. Okay, it does have Bead Maker in it, so let's check out those beads. Obvious where the bead maker is protecting and repelling water. Let's test out its chemical resistance. And something I already know, if you prep and properly apply a decent sealant, unless it's a real cheap, crappy sealant, you're not going to be able to remove it just by spraying an APC or a strong cleaner on it and then rinsing it. I'm going to quickly follow up with an IP solution cut at 25% and then work that in with the microfiber, and we'll see what's left behind. Although the permanent marker is all but removed from the panel, the sealant still remains. It's going to take some mechanical removal of the sealant or a really harsh chemical with some elbow grease. Maybe it may have knocked back that brilliant gloss from when you first applied it. As you can see, it dropped down a few GUs here, but it's still there, still looking great. For the final thoughts segment of the video, the P&S Playmaker is a formula infused with P&S Bead Maker, which is a cleaner, a polisher, and protectant. To do some comparisons when it comes to cut, the 3D1, which is a one-step as well, has a bit more aggression when it comes to cut. When it comes to protection, I believe the protection is a little bit better than a lot of the one-step products available out there today. If you want me to put this on the same panel and go head-to-head with another all-in-one, put it down in the comments section, name it, and I'll see what I can do to put that together. In the meantime, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.